Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix no sound in Microsoft Edge browser. First method is type mmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmsys.cpl. Select output device, click set default, click apply, click OK. Second method is click start, settings, click system, click sound. Open volume mixer, click reset. Third method is right-click start button, click device manager. Click and expand sound, video and game controllers, right-click audio device, click update driver. Fourth method is click start, settings, click apps, click installed apps. Type Edge in search bar, click three dots, click modify. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.